If you're looking for a quick, easy, and keto-friendly chicken recipe, you're going to love this. Hello friends, welcome to Spice and Soul Diaries. And today I'm making perfectly juicy air fryer chicken breast that's low in carbs, high in protein, and packed with flavor. It's super easy, requires minimal ingredients, and fits perfectly into your keto lifestyle. So friends, let's get started with this delicious chicken recipe in the air fryer. And here I've taken two medium-sized chicken breasts and I've made cuts or slits in this way so that all the flavors of the marination can be well absorbed by the chicken breast pieces. And now let's prepare a seasoning mix. For that we'll take a bowl and into it goes some salt as per taste, around 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, which will give a smoky flavor to the marinade. Then this is garlic and mixed herbs, adding a tablespoon of it. Also goes into this a tablespoon of lemon juice and a tablespoon of olive oil. Now let's mix all the ingredients until they are well combined. And our flavorful marination sauce is ready to coat the chicken breast. Make sure to coat the marination sauce generously on both the sides of the chicken breast, especially near the areas where cuts or slits has been made, which will give us juicy and flavorful chicken breast after getting cooked in the air fryer. Well, the marination has been done and now I'm going to let the chicken breast pieces rest for at least half an hour. And now time to arrange the chicken breast pieces into the air fryer basket, which has been preheated for 5 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Now let's put the basket into the air fryer and I'm going to cook the chicken breast pieces at 200 degrees Celsius first for 8 minutes. It's 8 minutes now and I'm going to flip the chicken breast pieces so that the other side is also well browned and is evenly cooked. Also, I'm going to brush some of the leftover marination sauce so that the chicken breast remains moist and juicy while getting cooked in the air fryer. And now again I'm going to air fry the chicken breast for another 4 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And after 4 minutes, our air fryer chicken breast is well cooked and well browned. So I'm going to take the basket out and arrange them for serving. And here's our juicy keto-friendly air fryer chicken breast. It's simple, delicious, and perfect for staying on track with your low-carb goals without compromising on taste. And friends, you can pair this keto-friendly air fryer chicken breast with a fresh salad, sauteed veggies, or enjoy it just as it is. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks and you can check out my other keto-friendly as well as air fryer recipes in my channel. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye-bye, take care and enjoy good food, good life.